Thank you.
There's no escape!
Oh my god. Why am I first?
Welcome to my dungeon. I've been waiting for fresh meat.
I hate these.
Help me, please! Get me out of here!
Whoa, look up.
Keep moving!
They're all alive! They're my friends!
They tortured the king.
I'm not supposed to read through my bones! And gnawing and fighting! I'm not supposed to read through my bones!
Help me!
Scratching and gnawing and fighting! Get them out of me! Get them out of me! Get them out of me! Get them out of me!
Find the key and get me out of here!
Look up.
You don't want to help us, then why don't you join us?